So, so finally we are on the way to Dubai International Airport. So we have started with PP kit and face shields, and as usual, we need a negative PTCPR report within 72 hours. So we are about to land in Dubai. So the time was around morning 7 o'clock. Here we are. It looks so good, and we are actually waiting for the hotel crew. So they are here to pick us up, and we are starting to our hotel now. So this is our hotel. It's the world's tallest hotel in the world, Gevara Hotel. So we are ready to check in now. Check-in time was around 2 o'clock. So we got a sky view room in 54th floor, and we are about to enter the hotel room. So this is the view from the balcony from 54th floor. So here we go to our bedroom suite. The sky view. So this is the kitchen, bedroom, the hall, and from here we have the view. Actually, we can see Burj Khalifa from this room. So this is the best part of actually. Oh, this is so cool. So we actually celebrated a 10-month anniversary in our hotel room itself. So we are on the way to swimming pool. So actually it's a rooftop pool which is located on top of the hotel. So this is a sky bridge for the pool view, and actually we are supposed to wear masks inside the hotel. So this is the hotel pool view. I think this is one of the best view ever. So now the next day we are actually on the way to Do Cruise. So we enter the cruise, we spend some time and have barbecue dinner inside the cruise itself. So we see we have multiple cruises. We have 3-star and 5-star based on the rate. So actually the cruise we booked was 50 dirhams, and we have a 5-star cruise as well, which was around 75 dirhams. So the food is decent, it's pretty good, and especially the view was very good actually. it lasted for around 1.5 to 2 hours. So yeah, the next day was we are about to go for Old Dubai, Burj Dubai. We call it as Burj Dubai. So this is the government office, old government offices. You see all this, and we have this Jumeirah Mosque, and it's actually closed due to COVID. So we are unable to visit that. And this is Islamic Art Gallery. So and this is Jumeirah Beach. So from here we can see Dubai Hotel, and this is the Jumeirah Hotel, and this is the Dubai Miracle Garden. Garden is very good. Actually, these flowers are original flower systems. So I was really amazed by the maintenance of this garden. So I think the entry fee was around 50 dirhams. So it was completely worth it. I recommend you guys to definitely visit this place. And from here we are started to Global Village, and this is a Global Village. So here we have around 70 countries that clothes, the food, shopping, and what they use, what's famous for the country. So like see Lebanon, Beirut, Palestine, Jordan, and US, India, what we have visited all the countries exhibition. And we are actually went to Veg World in Burj Dubai, near Meena Bazaar. So if you are nearby this place, I recommend you guys to visit this place. The food is very spicy. And the next day we had some leisure time. We had some bowling before our mall visit. So this was actually near to Dubai Mall. And this is the Mall of Emirates. And this is Dubai Mall, largest mall in the world. I recommend to at least spend one full day for this mall, because the mall is so huge, and we have an underwater zoo as well, so we can see different type of creatures inside the mall. The price was around 50 dirhams. And inside the Mall of Emirates also we have the Skyjet Snow World Park, and we have entered Burj Khalifa, so we can actually enter inside the Dubai Mall itself. So I recommend you to cover Burj Khalifa and Dubai Mall on the same day. And best time to visit Burj Khalifa was around 4 to 7 p.m. So we have actually chosen 6 p.m. and we have spent the rest of the night there. So we are actually entering the Burj Khalifa 125th floor. So we are on the 125th floor. So this is the 125th floor view. So we can actually see the whole gold color city. So this is our hotel, Jawara Hotel. You can actually see from top of the Burj Khalifa. The view is, there is no words to explain this view. You just have to experience it.
I love Dubai.
Here it is. So this is the Burj Khalifa from the outside view. So we just got outside, exit from Dubai Mall, and we can actually take some cool pictures. Now we have started to desert safari. So we have this motorcycle ride. So this was around 125 dirhams per person. And, this was about 30 minutes, and it's completely worth it. And this was actually before the desert safari. You can see a lot of people riding this. It's completely safe, though we see some mountains here and there. But this vehicle is very strong, so it won't skid. Now we are on the way to desert safari. So we have this safari with barbecue dinner. The dune dashing. Part of the fireworks. Middle of the desert. Food is surprisingly the food is spicy, and the barbecue is very good as well. The performances are really good. Comedy. So the very famous belly dance. This is the camel ride inside the desert.
I also.
And this is free of cost. It's included in the part of the desert safari package. And now we are at the Dubai frame.
Super frame.
So this entry was
Dubai
around
frame.
50 dirhams, and we can actually go on the left and walk on the top of the frame. And now the last mall of the trip, IBN Battula Mall, and this one is different kind of mall where we have some architecture design inside the mall. So you can see this architecture. It's kind of different. And actually this is pretty far away from Dubai, so you have to actually travel to. Whoa. And this is a sky view from the mall. It's a kind of sky theme. They actually recreated this inside the mall. It's different. We are about to start to Hyderabad and with a lot of memories. So this is one of the best trips we have ever had. So our package was included with the RT-PCR report which we need to take to India, which should be around 48 within 48 hours. So make sure you do that, and also you can fill the self declaration form at the airport. Thank you watching for this video.